Good morning guys, and welcome to the channel. So as you can see, I'm installing the Tusk wide fender flares on the RZR, and this right here is the ones that I lay behind the factory flare. So right here is the instructions for these. Tells you about all the hardware you're going to need. So on the front, if you look down at the bottom, you'll see these little slots right here, and you got to slide the fender flare in those slots, and then we'll be able to work our way up and we'll push it against the body. You can either get somebody to hold this or use the clamp. And the front, it says use self-tapping screws, and it also tells you where you need to put the screws. You can go ahead and put your self-tapping screws in the bottom, and then you'll work your way up to the next section right here. You're going to make sure that's pushed up against the body flush. You go ahead and put your screws in there, and then we'll do the top piece. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side here. So on the rear, according to the instructions, you're going to remove that bottom clip right there, and then you're going to move up to this one right here, and you're going to remove that clip. And then it says to remove that bolt right there. We're going to remove this bolt right here first, and that's the T40 Torx bit. Now we're going to take our L-shaped bracket and where we took the bolt out, and we're going to slide that in between there. Let me see if I can show you this a little bit better. So it's going to slide in there just like that. So you're going to get some of these U-shaped clamps, and you're going to install one right there on that bracket on the end, and you're going to install one right there on that top piece right there. Alright, after you get those three bolts in, then you're going to take the top piece and you're going to push this all the way up till it's flush against it, and you're going to put a screw right here, and you're going to put one right there. So it'll be the same thing on this side. Go remove that bolt, go put the L bracket in, then we got to remove that bottom clip, and then that one right there. Got to put a bolt and a lock nut on this one. Alright, so I got this side on. I'll probably do a review after I ride a couple times just to see how I like them. But I mean, that right there, that's quite a bit, so that should help with the mud issue. I'd say that took care of 90% of it at least. They're not very hard to install. I probably did it in about 30 minutes to an hour, say somewhere around that. And they do seem to be pretty solid. Well guys, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.